matching parts. Look at the pictures and match A and B. चित्र पहा. A आणि B च्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. The children are playing with a ball. The coconut is falling from a tree. The girls are climbing a hill. The monkey is swinging from a branch. The boys are running to the wall. The elephant is walking down the road.